Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about short haircut ideas for older women. As we grow older, many women choose short hair because it easy to manage, comfortable and stylish. Short haircut can make you look fresh, confident and modern. They also save time in daily styling. The best part is short hair never goes out of fashion. Let's talk about some beautiful short haircut ideas. First is the pixie cut. The pixie cut is very short and very easy to take care of. It dries quickly after washing and needs only a little styling cream. This haircut makes your face look open and bright. It is perfect for women who want a simple but bold look. Next is the classic short bob. A short bob usually comes to the chin or just above it. It is neat, classy and elegant. You can keep it straight for a smooth look or add soft waves for volume. This haircut works well for thin hair because it makes the hair look fuller. Another great option is the layered short haircut. Layers add movement and shape to the hair. As we age, hair can become thinner and layers help create volume. This style looks natural and soft. It is easy to style with a quick blow dry or even air dry. Now let's talk about the textured crop. This is a short cut with soft layers and texture. It gives a relaxed and slightly messy look. You don't need perfect styling. Even simple finger styling looks good. It is perfect for busy women who want low maintenance hair. If you like a little more volume, try a short shag haircut. The shag has light layers and volume on top. It works very well for women with natural waves. This haircut gives body to thin hair and looks playful but elegant. For women with curly hair, a short curly cut is beautiful. Do not hide your curls. Short curly hair looks lively and full of personality. Just use a little curl cream and let it dry naturally. Now here are some simple beauty tips for choosing the right cut. First, think about your face shape. Short cut look better on round faces while others suits longer faces. A good hairstyle can help you choose the best one. Second, choose a haircut that matches your lifestyle. If you don't like spending much time on your hand, go for a very short and simple cut. Third, keep regular trims. Short hair needs trimming every 4 to 8 weeks to keep its shape. And most important, choose a style that makes you feel confident. Beauty has no age limit. Short hair can make older women look stylish, graceful and modern. Short hair is not just easy, it is powerful and shows confidence and self-love. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.